LLS stands for local speed of sound. The sound of speed is also called Mach 1 and is not a constant value. At mean sea level the speed of sound is equal to 660 knots per hour. As temperature increases the speed of sound increases. This means, the higher you fly the lower the temperature, and the lower the speed of sound. At higher temperatures the air molecules move around more and faster. This also means they distribute the disturbance in sound waves faster. The formula for calculating the local speed of sound is as follows: multiply the square root of the absolute temperature by 38.94. The result is the local speed of sound for a particular temperature. See you next week.